Okay, so I barely filmed today, but Christina brought us bento boxes from the train station.
It's not a bento, it's just
it's not a bento.
I'm kidding.
It looks really good. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It looks delicious.
And I'll show you my favorite kanji. This is hankyaku, which means half off. $3.80, but I paid half of that because grocery stores, whenever they close.
Yes!
I got this microwavable rice.
Sweet.
And some nori.
Yay! She's currently dead.
Tima gave me some bad meth.
What are you talking about? And you're right next to bath salt. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna try to go to In Kyoto, but I know it's gonna be like a 26-minute walk, so hopefully I can get there. But I think it's worth it just to go somewhere instead of sitting around all day at home. So I will let you guys know how that goes and film the experience. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. Today is, what's today? April 14th? So far, oh, it's bright in here. I have a long day ahead of me. Christina already left for work, so I'm gonna take it upon myself to ride the train alone today and go shopping at the Aeon Mall. And I'm also gonna go to 7-Eleven right now and go get a couple things to eat before I go, so I'm not super hungry. I'm gonna do a haul for you guys because I might go to Daiso and just get some more clothes because I only brought like literally black. Basically my entire suitcase is just filled with black clothes, so I just need to get some more color in my life and get that together. I just did my makeup, so I wanted to just do something that was really fresh. Honestly, this Fenty Beauty foundation is just, it's so amazing. But my skin has been improving already since I've been here, and honestly, I've been just enjoying it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go out, get some food really quick. I will try to film with my phone inside 7-Eleven, and this time I will definitely show you guys my food because I did not get to do that yesterday. But today I will remember, don't worry. I just don't wanna get like caught filming in their store, so I'll just try to make it as secretive as possible. And yeah, and then I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go head off to the station. Yeah, basically the station, it's only gonna be one stop to when I get to the mall, so honestly it shouldn't be that hard. And I do have my GPS, which yes, you can use GPS in Japan. It's really, really easy, and that's how I pretty much get through the train. So yeah, and I couldn't really film in 7-Eleven because I think they were looking at me, so I tried to stop, but I still got some good stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in a second. And yeah, let's go inside. Okay, so I am back and the walk was really nice. I might wear heels today just because I like wearing heels, and they're not too tall, so it's not that bad as far as walking goes. And I'm not gonna be in, I don't even know where it is, because I'm gonna go to the Katsura station, and then I forgot what the other one's called, but I'm gonna go to the Aeon Mall today. I need to get some clothes for tomorrow and also some accessories and stuff. I just wanna go shopping. I'm in need of a shopping trip, so yeah, I just wanna treat myself today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But first, let's see what I got from 7-Eleven. Okay, so I've been on a green tea kick since I've gotten here. I have to have like green tea for lunch, and I'm gonna put some apple cider vinegar in there as well. I got some chopsticks here, tuna, mayonnaise, tofu, also an egg roll. So I'm just gonna have this for my lunch. I want some vegetables in here, but honestly I didn't get to go to the grocery store today. Also, here is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my black boots today. They're just over there in front of the door. Jacket that I got from the thrift store that has like the shoulder pads, some leggings here, a cute little dress underneath. So yeah.
Hey guys.
So, okay, so I got the onigiri, which I finally opened it correctly because I don't follow instructions.
I feel like people don't really like these videos because they're kind of lazy.
I'm just pausing this for a second. This is actually kind of sweet, the egg roll. It's not like what I expected. I like it, but I would prefer it not to be as sweet. Okay, this is a yes. Alright you guys, so I got so much stuff. Just look at this. I'm gonna do a haul whenever I get home, but I'm just walking home now and I just got off the train. So yeah, it was really good actually. Was able to figure it out on my own and not have any help.
or anything. So I'm proud of myself. Yay.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back from shopping. I have this thing where if I'm by myself, I'm not gonna have fun, but I just had some really good alone time just now for the past couple of hours. I rode the trains on my own. I went to this really cool mall called Aeon Mall, and it's in Kyoto. So I went there. It's huge. It's like 4 or 5 stories, and I decided to wear heels today. Not doing that again. I think tomorrow, whenever I go shopping with Christina, I'm gonna buy some shoes that are a lot more comfortable, but you know, still cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought, because I bought quite a lot of things and I spent at least, I would say, $200. I basically just came with things that were black, no color whatsoever. I just bought my staple pieces that I probably didn't even really need to bring, honestly. I did 11,000 steps today, and that's just for me taking the train, like walking to the station, spending time by myself in the mall, walking around. And so now I realize how people stay fit in Japan. It's because they're walking all the time. So yeah, let's get on to the items that I got. So okay, so I want to open stuff from, I don't know how to say this, Yevs? I guess it's called Yevs. Oh, I got these pants. I forgot that I got these, you guys. These are so comfortable and they're so freaking cute. They're basically high-waisted. It's like a linen material. I'm not sure if you can see through it, but I'm gonna wear shorts on the inside just in case. But yeah, these are just super cute, and I think it's really good quality. I think that these were around 40,000 yen, which is around $40. And yes, everything in this mall was kind of on the expensive side, but I saved up for this. So, and yeah, these are super cute. And honestly, the material's great. They're very breathable as well, which is really nice. Okay, next thing, store is called Tutu Ana. I don't know what these are. I forgot what I got. Okay. Ooh, okay, so these are my 3 for $10 socks that I got, and these are so cute, you guys. It's kind of got like a netted material to it, so when you kind of stretch it, you can see the holes. And I just love the detailing here. I guess this is red, pink, and yellow stripes. Got the same version in red, white, yellow, and blue, and these are super cute. I have a lot of clothes in these colors, so that's why I got them. And I had to get my favorite yellow for lemons. These are so cute. 3 for $10, which was really good. Okay, I guess I'll open the one that I got from Ingni. I think this is the skirt that I bought, and I just love the packaging. Like, oh, okay, so I did try on this skirt. It was super cute. This thing fits me so well. I brought another skirt like this on my trip, and I don't like it nearly as much as this one, and the one that I got was from Forever 21. It just like lifts up and it rides up on me, so it kind of fits like high-waisted, but it doesn't ride up on me. Like, it stays in the same place, which is really nice, and it fits really well. 40,000 yen, but it was on sale for 20,000, which is great. So I got this for really cheap, 20 bucks. Not bad at all. This is like more Forever 21 pricing, which I love. Love it when it has these like little circles here just to pull down the zipper. It makes it easier, plus it's a really cute touch. Also, I got a pair of, this is from the Aeon Style Center. So if you go in the mall, it's kind of built like the malls obviously in America, but you know how they have like Macy's and JCPenney and stuff? This was the department store that I got these socks from, and Christina's always wearing like knee-high or thigh-high socks, and I got inspired by her, so I got myself a pair, and these are 55 inches, or sorry, these are 55 centimeters for socks, and they're really stretchable and they look and feel really comfortable. So I hope that they fit me really well. $9 for these, so whatever. Ooh, okay, so this is my favorite. I got a bunch of stuff from here. A lot of stuff was on sale. I think I got at least 4 or 5 items for 80 bucks, but in comparison to other stores where like one thing was $80, I got a pretty good deal. They really do care about how I don't even want to throw this bag away. It's so freaking cute, you guys. Ooh, they also wrapped everything nicely for me. Like, look at how much stuff I got. First thing, this was on sale, I think, for $20 for this shirt. I really wanted it, and I know what y'all are gonna say. Tima, you could get that at Forever 21. I don't know why you bought that, but honestly, I needed more clothes for the week, and I really like how this looks. And it says, design my life colorfully. But yeah, I think it's really cute, and I think it would look really cute with sporty looks that I have, also with my athletic pants and some really cute sneakers. So I'm really excited to wear this with that. I got this oversized sweatshirt that I really wanted to get. It just says heightened on it. Don't know what that means, but I think it looks really cute. I like the stripe that it's got. I like the length of this too. And it's been kind of chilly here at night, so if I want something to wear that's comfortable with some like leggings or some thigh-high socks, I can wear this with it and it would be really cute. And I think that the fashion here in Japan right now is like really wide-legged jeans and like really oversized tops, like sweaters, sweatshirts and stuff. But yeah, this is super cute. This was, how much was this? This was $35, but I think I got it on sale for $20, or yeah, this was on sale for $20. Favorite pieces that I got from this store. I just love how this looks on me. It looks so cute. This was originally $100 and it was on sale for $20. I'm floored of how cute this looks, you guys. This is kind of like an oversized, size is this, first of all? It doesn't say the size. I feel like it's a small, but yeah, it's just like pretty much like a coat, you know. It looks really cute. Honestly, the price is great for what it used to be. Yeah, that's all the stuff that I bought for today. I was not supposed to buy this much stuff yet, but I needed more clothes, honestly, for my trip. But tomorrow I'm gonna focus on buying shoes and more tops because I don't have that many tops to wear. At least not that many that are really colorful that I want to wear. Gonna do that, and then yeah, I feel like I need to take a shower because I've been walking out like all day. It's already 2 p.m. but I just want to say one last thing is like I felt so free today, and I've always had this freedom. It's not like I haven't had it before, but I just didn't give it to myself. Like I didn't give myself the freedom to feel like I could just go out alone and be happy and just like have fun by myself. Instead, like I let my anxiety kind of take over, and this is why I wanted to go on this trip by myself and not go with anyone, is because I needed to get lost. I needed to like just be comfortable with being by myself for once, because I always am afraid to do that. And so those of you guys that are feeling that way, I would definitely suggest doing trips like these on your own. Of course, like make sure that you have friends in that country wherever you're going to, but if you ever have that type of like position or the opportunity, definitely take it, because the more that you do things on your own, the more comfortable you feel by yourself and the more that you're actually able to do. Yeah, it's only the second day that I'm here, so I can't even imagine how much I'm gonna grow in the next month or so while I'm living here. So those of you guys, I've been reading all of your comments and everything, and some of you guys are asking me to do more like traditional activities here, which I'm definitely going to do. I'm gonna be going to an onsen, which I probably won't be able to film. I'll be able to wear a yukata and stuff and go to a tea ceremony. I'm not sure if that's included with wearing a yukata, but I will be doing that and I will be filming it for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And I feel like my skin's doing a lot better now that I'm here. And I'll probably end the vlog here. Tomorrow we're going to be going out shopping and taking Instagram photos, filming some more videos and stuff like that. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. We're going to be exploring Kyoto. Yeah. Bye guys.